Check out the new M18 FUEL 1/4" Hex Impact Driver from Milwaukee. The M18 FID3 is the 4th generation impact released by Milwaukee in this platform, and with each generation over the last 9 years, they've gotten smaller and increased the output. Now it's 2.5mm shorter than the Gen 3, which all adds up when you're behind a kitchen sink or between some narrow studs. But it's the output where they've really stepped up. Even though they've both got the same max torque of 226 Newton meters, the new impact has 300 more revolutions per minute and 100 more impacts per minute. And you see it in the side-by-side. With a regular 100mm fastener, it was 24% faster driving it in. And in a higher torque application like these 200mm bugles, it was almost 10% faster. Delivering faster driving times, increasing your productivity, but reducing your effort. The bits slot in and can be changed one-handed. They've also made some changes to the trigger. It's got good variability and control. They've also improved the work light with the Tri-LED on this model, increasing your visibility and ensuring there's no shadow cast by your bit. But the same as the previous model, it's got 4 speed modes that you control on the base of the impact. The first 3, they all just vary the max speed and impacts per minute, while the 4th mode is a self-tapping mode. It's intended for driving self-tappers through sheet metal. It's great for stud and track walls. It reduces wandering at the start, hits full speed, and after a couple of impacts, it cuts power so you don't over-tighten. They've redesigned the onboard bit holder. It's rubberized so it can take a bump without leaving a mark. It'll hold 2 long bits or 4 short bits, whatever's your fancy. All in all, it's a really impressive, high output but compact impact driver, and it's available now at all your local Sydney Tools stores in the Milwaukee aisle, or you can go to sydneytools.com.au for more information and to order yours for Australia-wide shipping. If you've got any questions, you can always hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.